Hola y buenos días. Welcome, bienvenido to the Daily Word Builder conmigo, Ruth Darby of Spanglish Fantastico. This week we're going to explorar la palabra tomar, and that means to take or to drink, to eat. Today we'll look at 4 different categories of meaning for that word. So tomar, to take, maybe catching something with your hand, grabbing something with your hand. So synonyms of that are coger, which is to take, or agarrar, which is to grab. Probablemente tomar is lo más común, el verbo más común de los tres. Tomar, to take. And another meaning is to take a bus or a train. So it is to usar una forma de transporte. Voy a tomar el tren. Voy a tomar el coche. Voy a tomar el autobús. Okay, tomar. And also, of course, you can use tomar for to eat or to drink. So that's not one that we really use en inglés. No es un uso que tenemos en inglés. Tomar un té. We would say, I'm going to have a cup of tea. Tomaré un té en español. Y es usado por las bebidas, which are drinks, y para la comida voy a tomar un desayuno con mi amigo. See, I'm going to have a breakfast with my friend. And the last meaning that I'm going to talk about today is when you take something in a certain sentido. Tomar una cosa de un sentido. Por ejemplo, take something as a joke. Tomar una cosa como una broma. Una broma is a joke. See? So there is a lot to this verb, tomar, and we are going to have a look at it all week, which is what we do here on Spanglish Fantastico. So I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as me, and I will see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.